Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sync your Android contacts with your Gmail account, step by step. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. Now scroll down and tap on Users and Accounts. Here you'll see a list of account types. Tap on Google. You'll now see all the Gmail accounts that are logged in on your phone. Tap the account you want to sync your contacts with. Once you're inside, look at the top right corner. Tap the three dots menu, and then tap on Sync Now. That's it. Your contacts are now syncing with your Gmail account. Want to check your synced contacts? Just go to contacts.google.com in any browser and sign in with the same Gmail account. You'll see all your contacts saved there, safe and backed up. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.